Hi, energy savers. Just want to introduce you to our new addition to our inventory, our solar lighting system. So this lighting system comes with a panel and 4 bulbs. We also have another system that comes with 2 bulbs. Okay, so this particular one comes with 4 bulbs and the power bank. So this right here is the power bank. As you can see, the 4 lights are plugged in with extended cable, so you can stretch it to each room that you want to put it in. This is the panel. So the panel will be on the outside. The panel comes with a DC cable attached to it, so you'd plug the cord into the power station right here for it to charge, because the battery is in this power station here. So it will charge and store the power for you to use at night. So the bulbs, you would just plug it in, very easy. Nothing that require any technical skills to do. Plug it in and you send the cards to the various rooms that you want the power in. This can also charge your phone. So if you look right here, this is for cell phone charging. So you plug in your phone cable into it and charge up your phone from the station here. So I'm going to do a testing. I'm going to turn off the light in the house and turn on each bulb to show you what the bulb looks like. Turn off my camera light as well. Perfect. So you can see it's a lot of light from the bulbs. So another one, 2. Oh, right. So it's very bright. I don't want to really show you around in the apartment right now. But as you can see, it's a lot of light that you get from these bulbs. Perfect system. So if you know someone that would need something like this in case there's a power outage, or if you just want to use it to cut down on your electricity bill at night, you can do that. You can use this. Or if you know someone who don't have electricity and need some power in their house, send them on to us. Thank you.